Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. We are back with a new video of world's most famous company Apple. So world's most famous company Apple have launched world's most useful product iPhone series 13. This time its virtual series 13 have 4 models: iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's see what things are new in this one and what things are old. iPhone 13 is in 4 colors. They are available in silver, graphite, gold and blue colors. They have introduced in iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max the new Super Retina XDR display and promotion, which gives photos and videos a whole new look. iPhone 13 Pro Max screen size is 6.7 inches while iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13's screen is 6.1 inches. In all of these 3 models, for the fast speed, they have introduced custom 5G antennas and radio components. Now let's talk about the most important feature of iPhone, which is its camera. In iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, like iPhone 12, 3 cameras of 12 megapixels is introduced, which have the features of telephoto lens, which means they can take photos from a long way without making a change in pixels. The other feature is wide and ultra-wide lenses, cinematic mode in 4K quality video recording, and it have the feature of taking photos in darkness of night or at any dry dark place. It can take photo. And the one thing which is important to know is that these features like telephoto, the feature of 3 cameras and night scene scanners are not available in iPhone 13. These features are just available in iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. iPhone 13 have a zoom capacity of 2x while iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max have zoom capacity of 6x. Now let's talk about the speed. In these 3 models, a 15 Bionic chip are attached, which speed is 20% more than a 14, while its utility according to company is more than 30%. According to company, it is the fastest chip. If we talk about the battery, then according to company, as compared to iPhone 12, iPhone 13's battery is better, and all of these 3 models are water resistant, which means it can resist water in depth of 6 meters and for 30 minutes. In new iPhone, 500GB to 1TB storage is introduced, and in this model the storage is at least 128GB, while in old models it was just 64GB. In these models, these sensors are introduced. iPhone 13 Pro price is $999, which is 1,70,000 in Pakistani rupees, while iPhone 13 Pro Max price is $1,099, which is 1,90,000 in Paki rupees. So if you have any other question, then you can ask us in comment section, and also give us suggestions that what our new video should be about, and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.